welcome to my store. So I'm just this is a ldrc 118 rear-wheel drive. I took the stock electronics off, and it's brushless. It's got a gyro, 6-channel. This is hacked. It's usually a 3-channel. Now it's an 8-channel. But this is what I'm going to use for getting the lights back. It's going to mount right there. Don't need all these. You can just tap into the lights that are on the car. And if you give me a moment, I'll set it up. So the process I had is try to keep the car as stock looking, but obviously get rid of the electronics. So this is only like $5, and there's different channels. Channel 1, channel 3, channel 2, obviously channel 1 we'll do running lights and steering, obviously, and then channel 2 we'll do brake lights and running lights. There's a couple different setups you can do. Now if you set up channel 3, this can do other running lights as well. A lot of things you can do with this, but I use my channel 3 for my gyro gain, and I'm only going to use 2-channel. That's enough to get it going. And then because this is a 6-channel receiver, I can use the hacked radio I'm using to pop up the lights and set that up. One moment, I'll make sure this works and get it on video. Alright, so this is all the lights hooked up here, and once you turn on the radio, saves you with 2 sets of running lights. Turn the steering wheel, you got your blinkers, you got your other blinkers, you got your brake lights, and that's how you get it going. And once again, this was only $5. You don't need all these wires. All you would need to do is, this one's going to be hard because it's brake lights and turn lights integrated, but just separate the wires, find out what channel you want, which ones you need, and then just splice them in. And I might actually put this and mount it right there instead of mounting it here, because it is big. You could probably even get away with like maybe even taking it apart, so it's not the case, but probably just going to set mine right there.